Forces. Objects are acted upon by forces. For example, consider an object lying on a horizontal surface. It has a weight which is going to act directly downwards on the surface. To counteract this, there'll be a normal reaction force acting up. If the object is sitting stationary on the surface, N must be equal to W. So if the object is at rest, it follows that W take away N is equal to 0. Or you can just move the N to the other side and say what I said, which is W equals N. Or put another way, forces up equal forces down. This is an application of Newton's first law, which roughly states that an object will remain at rest or continue to move with constant velocity unless acted upon by a resultant force. And since these forces are balanced, there is no resultant force. Suppose we apply another force to our object, maybe by pulling a string attached to it, creating a tension force. There is now a resultant force, so the object would accelerate to the right. If there is a frictional force, then either the object remains at rest or moving at a constant velocity, in which case T minus F is equal to 0. In other words, forces to the right are equal to forces to the left. Or the tension force can be greater than the frictional force. Note the opposite can never happen. Friction can never be greater than tension. In which case the object accelerates to the right.